So here we are at the end of the actual installation. We have the Holley throttle body fuel injections all installed. Now we're going to try for the first test fire. Maybe. Alright, well, that should work for the return spring. We don't have the throttle body hooked up, or the throttle linkage I should say, but we're ready to go. Keep our finger crossed and hopefully don't have a fire. Now, to be perfectly honest, that is absolutely amazing. Obviously I couldn't pump the throttle because it's not hooked up, but literally turn the key, it fires right up. And for this car, that's amazing because in all the time I've owned it, I've never been able to just turn the key and it start right up. So there is the Holley Sniper EFI installed on a Plymouth B body 440. If you have any questions, leave me a comment. If you like this video, please click like. Thanks.